Learning a language is a difficult thing. فێربوونی زمانێک شتێکی کورسە. So why should you keep going? بۆچیە بێ بەردەوام بیت? Well, don't forget that when you learn a language, you are also learning a new way to see the world, a new way to think about life. باڵە بیرت نەچێت. کاتێک زمانێکی نوێ فێر بیت، بە هەمان کاتە شێوازێکی نوێ فێر بیت بۆ بینینی جیهان. بۆ نمونە, for example, in English, if I want to say that something is very clear, I say that it is crystal clear. Rún wەکú crystal. But in Kurdish, you can say rún wەkú چاوی قرژاڵ. As clear as a crab's eye. As an English speaker, I never noticed that crab's eyes were very clear until I learned Kurdish. And then I had a new way to think about things being